Hey Crystal, so I was thinking what should I make next for my video? You know I have a channel on YouTube and I create so many miniature stuff. So I was not getting what to make next for my video. Can you please help me?
Yes, dear Phonix Creation. Even I was confused at what you should make next.
Let's think for some new ideas. Oh! Look, Crystal, there's a request from my subscriber. Let's see what she wants us to make today.
I guess she wants you to make a baby food chair today.
Yes, you are right, Crystal. Let's get to the audience.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Phonix Creation. So you guys must be curious about who she is and what is she doing on my channel today. So let me tell you, she is my very best friend and her name is Crystal.
Hello, guys.
So actually we were just chilling around in the woods doing a campfire and suddenly we got one of your requests to make a DIY miniature baby food chair. So today I'm gonna make that. But before that, let's say goodbye to my very dear friend Crystal because she needs to go now.
Yes, guys. I have to go for my work as well.
Bye-bye. So guys, my friend has finally left and today we are gonna make this. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go! So for this you'll need cardboard, craft wire, textured fabric, silver card paper. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken these cardboard cutouts and also these beautiful textured pink fabric. So I'll just take the measurement and cut it accordingly, and then I'll just take some white cotton, or you can also take foam and just stick it over here on this cardboard. So once that is done, I'll now just cover it with the same fabric. So once that is done, now I'll just cover it on both of the sides. So I'll just cover it on the back side also. So as you can see, now I'll just fold it from the half. And also this cardboard, I'll just cover it with plain white paper. So once it's covered, I'll also stick this white paper for the back side also to be covered as well. And then I'll just take this white card paper and I'll just cover it on the sides for the border like this. So now as you can see, I've made these two rings. And now I'll just stick it over here on this cardboard piece. So these were the food storage caps. And I'll just stick it like this. So once this is done, as you can see, now I'll just take this tiny piece of craft wire and I'll just cover it with white paper. So once that's done, you can see I've made these three different sizes and the wires are seen through from the side. So I'll just make a hole on these two cardboard pieces. And now I'll just stick it over here on the cardboard like this. So this will be little thick and then these two will be thin and it will be stuck over here. So as you can see, the shape looks like this. And now I'll just make a hole again to be sure and then I'll just stick it over here. pieces will be attached on the seat. So once that is done from both of the sides, it will look something like this. And now I'll just take the same shade of pink paper strip, and I'll just stick it over here on the sides for the border. So I'll stick it like this. And now as you can see, that's done. Now for the bottom part also, I'll just repeat the process again. Okay, so this is done. Now I'll just take these two wires and 13 centimeter each the length will be, and then I've just taken these and I'll just make it little thick. So I'll just start covering it with white silver paper, and I'll just cover the craft wires. And then I'll just give the sides with pink paper. So as you can see, it's looking something like this, and this is the marking on your screen which you have to mark with a marker, and then you just have to fold it with the markings like this, and it's very easy bendable. So you can use a plier or your fingers, and then you just have to make sure that these two are of same according measurements, and then you just have to stick it on the base. So you just have to open it slightly and then you have to stick it. So now this is done. As you can see, the stand is ready and it looks something like this. And now this is another piece of cardboard which we'll cover it with white paper again. And after covering it with white paper, I have given the border over here, and then I'll just stick it like this. So these are the cuts which you can easily stick it over here. And then this is another pink paper which you have to make like this. These two. And after making them, you just have to take it and stick it over here on both of the sides. And now I made these two silver foam sheet circles, and these are very tiny, and then you just have to stick it over here again on both of the sides. So now as you can see, I've taken this Minnie Mouse sticker, and you can also use a printout or you can draw it yourself. And I'll just stick it over here to the chair. So as you know, it's a baby food chair, so you can stick as many cute and cute stickers you want. And then I'll just take this silver cardboard circle. So this is how the circle looks, and it has folding on it. So I'll just fold it like this, so this will create a bowl. So this is the baby food bowl. And now I'll just stick some paper clay inside it so it can look like a baby food. And after it gets dried, I'll just start painting it white. And then this is a tiny piece of silver card paper which will look like a spoon in the bowl. So here's how it looks. So you can see this will be used for the spoon. And then I'll just take it and stick it in the bowl this way. And now I'll just stick it to the chair. And then this is the feeder bottle, milk bottle, which I made in one of my previous video, which was titled as DIY Baby. And this is from that video, so I'll just stick it like this, and this is how it looks, guys. So cute, isn't it?
So guys, this is the final video and it looks like this. I, to be honest, was very impressed with myself that I made this, and it's really very easy if you can make. So you just have to share the picture on the Instagram and there I'll just repost it. So this is how it looks, guys, and I hope you liked it. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.